keeps a rotating propulsion system connected. Let's take a closer look. A reliable connection is critical here. Power, signal, data, all must remain connected while the system rotates. This is the integrated slip ring behind marine propulsion, designed for complex rotating systems. It provides a compact and reliable connection between stationary and rotating equipment. One integrated interface can handle multiple transmission requirements while keeping power, signals, and data connected throughout continuous rotation. Built for demanding marine applications, it combines connectivity, integration, and reliability in one solution. Power and signal transmission. Connecting fixed systems with rotating equipment. One slip ring. Multiple transmission systems. Power, signal, data, fiber, fluid. And it also integrates fluid transmission. 10 fluid channels, up to 5 MPa. Designed for harsh marine environments. Temperature monitoring, heating, humidity control, cooling.
Subscribe to stay connected with JINPAT.